Hello friends, today we are making a knot which is called bowline. So here we have this nylon rope. Your first step will be, if you are a righty, then you have to leave a long end of rope in your left hand, and if you are a lefty, then you have to leave long end on your right hand. So I am a righty, so I'll leave the long end of rope on my left hand. So first we can take this much only on right hand. This much is sufficient for making this bowline. So first step will be, we have to make a eye. As you can see, it became an eye. So we have to hold this end of rope and we have to pass it through this eye, but not from the front, from the back side. So make it loop little bit bigger. This loop is just to pass the end of this rope. Your actual eye is going to be this. So it's depend upon you how much size you want for your eye. So I want this much size, so that's why I am considering this much length only. So take this end of eye and pass it from behind of this loop. So once you passed it, now you have to take it below here and take it below this line. Now again, from which eye you have passed this end of rope, now from the front you have to again pass that end of rope like this. Now hold it there. Now as you can see, we got two eye here. So which one is our eye? This is our eye, and this is for passing the end of ropes. So what we will do, we will hold this one and this eye, our actual eye, which is going to be made at the end. We have to hold these both lines together, then pull this long line hardly. So now it became a bowline. As you can see, there is a pattern going on here like this. So this is the from behind like this. It's making an 8 like this. So at the end you got your bowline. So what's the purpose of this bowline? Its purpose is to secure on any kind of spar or railing. It's for securing purpose only. So this is the most common knot we use on board. This is actually getting used on board. So I think you should try it and give it a shot.